Meaning of Frederick and Rosemary West.
Frederick and Rosemary West.
Frederick and Rosemary West.
Frederick and Rosemary West.
Frederick and Rosemary West. Frederick and Rosemary West were a married couple who committed a series of horrific crimes in the United Kingdom during the 1970s and 1980s. They were responsible for the murder of at least 12 young women, including their own daughter, as well as multiple instances of rape and sexual assault. The couple was arrested in 1994 after police discovered human remains buried beneath their home. Both were ultimately charged with multiple counts of murder and other crimes, with Frederick West committing suicide in prison before his trial and Rosemary West receiving life imprisonment.